took out my braids and I'm like, I need a quick hairstyle. So this is where this came from. If you have a wig cap head, this is key. It saves so much time. What I'm doing first is putting the hair on the head. Like, you see how crazy this hair looks? It's so thin at the end. It's just like, I don't even know why I bought this hair. This straightener that I'm using, I have had this straightener forever. I honestly think I got it at like Stop and Shop. No, I'm lying. It was Walgreens. All straightened to the best of its ability. This hair is really not the best, if I'm being honest. And honestly, the ends of this hair are so thin that I want it like this short. And I'm gonna have bangs like this. We're gonna have to like hot comb the shit out of this so it can stay flat. So we're taking off a lot. So I'm gonna use this to kind of help me. I'm gonna cut one side at a time. I want it about like right here. I use scissors first to cut under the clip so I know exactly how I'm starting the cut. And then I grab my clip. I'm actually a joke that I even have this hair. Like, why would I ever buy such a thing? I am technically doing one side first, get like a baseline, so not cutting all of it, but once I get that baseline, I think that cut was successful. And don't get scissor happy. It is a disease. I definitely think bangs will add a look to this. Like, I haven't had weave on my head in so long. I've been wearing box braids, so for my bang, I'm literally just grabbing this triangle right here. Make like baby hairs, but I don't think it's that serious. Like, make sure to hot comb your hair. I didn't do this step and now I look like this. Like, oh my god! I feel like a sexy old lady. I should never know how to straighten hair with a flat iron. Next time I'm gonna use my other flat iron because it has more of a curve. You gotta add the bounce, not at the top, but at the end, so straight, and now I start. See, some of them didn't even curl yet. Okay. This is literally my first time cutting bangs, I think, correctly. I give that. It's definitely better. Guys, can you all say this is the final look? This is the final look. It looks so good in my opinion. It's my first time really cutting bangs. Like, I used to see people transform wigs and I'm like, how? I know now. Okay guys, this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I think this looks really good for my first time. Yeah, and of course, stay glowing. Love you guys.